I'd just like to make a comment that when I visited Avilés, I also had an opportunity to go to the shrine of Our Lady of Covadonga, which is a beautiful cave etched out, and Mass was being celebrated when I arrived there. And it's truly a gift and an honor to be able to be there. And now this very special remembrance of Our Lady of Covadonga here at the mission pleases me greatly. Thank you. Thank you, Bishop, for turning it over to us. In order, when we finish over there, then we'll have another procession, and the only orderly fashion will be the Coast Guard and the Knights. The rest of us will kind of just follow in suit going across the bridge. But for this part of it, we would like to be very, very dignified and orderly. So as I call out the names, the procession will wind that way. We have some people from the staff. We will be followed by our altar servers. Seminary, deacon, and priest. Standard.